shiny, shiny. And today I'm here with the LG KF510, a really catchy name. I have to say, this phone is really beautiful to look at. Look at how sleek it is. Look at how shiny. It's only 110 grams and it's 10.9 millimeters thick, which is really impressive because it does have quite a lot of features. It's got a 3 megapixel camera with autofocus, which is really good on such a model. You get this nice little green box here, which focuses in on somebody and you take it. However, navigating the camera menu is really difficult because it's really a bit tricky and you keep pressing the wrong button. I like how when I go to take a picture, you get this nice little green box around somebody's face. The menu's quite fiddly because of this particular touchscreen. So as you go down and you try and select on different areas, it's really not, so it'll just keep jumping from bits that I don't want it to go to. Some of it works, but then it's quite sporadic where what or not is happening. The phone is made of scratch-resistant tempered glass, and this has been banging around in my handbag for a couple of days, and it's still completely smudged and streak and crack-free, which is impressive. It doesn't have any 3G or Wi-Fi, which is a bit of a shame, but it does save the battery life. And once I talk you through the touch controls, you'll see why actually surfing the internet with this phone is a really bad idea. The thing about this phone, you have a slider keypad with all the buttons, but the big thing about it is this little touch control screen here. If you press up or down, little arrows will form in the direction that you're going, which is quite nice. But however, it's really unintuitive, because a lot of the time it'll be pressing buttons I don't want to press, and it'll be jumping around, and it just doesn't react how I want it to. It's really frustrating. One of the main points of my main problems with this extension is typing text messages, which I'll show you now. Here I am in the menu, and I'm just going to the messaging option. I'm going to put a new message. Here we go. Quite like the little screen, and when you type things, you'll see what happens. Best of. And I want to send that to... No, I want to send it to some contact. I'll send it to Abby. And now, it keeps deleting things I write. Text messages, you'll end up with things that you've deleted. It'll be really frustrating. Another thing about the touch controls, every time you touch them in a certain direction, the phone vibrates really slightly, but I think that might annoy you after a while. You can obviously turn this setting off, but then again, the problem is navigating to the setting or you'll turn it off. Not so sure. The arrow shortcut, as you can see, if we're going to go this way, directs us to the favourites. If you go that way, it takes us to different things across the screen, like different profiles. They're good to use, but at the same time, it's really going to annoy you. The phone is lovely, and it also comes in red and black, as well as having a built-in FM tuner and an MP3 player with not actually a large amount of internal memory, but again, the SD slot due to make it larger. You can use your own headphones with this, which is nice. You don't actually need an adapter, which is quite unusual on a lot of phones. But overall, I'd have to say, I really think you can get something better than this.